Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another year on how to renew your scholarship for TheDream.Us. If you were enrolled in the last academic year, you are required to renew your scholarship, and this will allow us to verify if you're going to continue with the scholarship and as well approve funds for the next upcoming year. Before we begin, make sure you have the following ready to go, and if you have any issues with getting your transcript, make sure to contact your scholar advisor. Cool, now that you have that ready to go, make sure you go to your ISTS portal and insert your email and password. Perfect, now that you're here, you will be welcomed by the homepage where you will be able to see all your forms and information about your scholarship. As you can see right away, you will be able to see what forms to fill out, and in this case, we are doing our renewal form, so we will click continue on our renewal form. Perfect. We are at the instructions page now. It is very, very important to read this page and as well know your deadline for your renewal. This is very important because it will give you time to collect all your items and as well turn those items in on time. Scrolling a little bit down, you will see your renewal status. This is where you will say you wish to renew this award or if you do not want to renew this award. In this video, we are covering how to renew this award. ISTS will also ask you about your immigration status. Here are the options and as well as the other option if you have a certain situation. For the next part, your transcript will come in handy. We'll ask you about your GPA, the amount of classes you've taken, the credits that you need to graduate, etc. Now, uploading your transcript is very important. Make sure you upload it the right way and as well the right file. This is very crucial because ISTS will be checking transcripts and verifying them. And now you're at the end of the page. The only thing that you have to do is click submit and you will be taken back to the homepage. If you're having any issues with uploading your transcript or have any technical issues with the ISTS website, make sure you contact them directly. And if you have any general questions about the ISTS website, you can also contact them directly. The TheDream.Us team will be able to answer any scholarship questions, but because we do not have the ISTS system, we're not going to be able to answer any questions about that. So please contact them directly.